Hi, it's Lance. Happy Friday. It's Friday, April 17, 2020. And I'm out on my morning walk doing my daily mindset routine. A lot of this week's discussions have been about pivoting in our mindset. And ever since the gym's been shut down for me, I've had to resort to these long morning walks to get in my morning routine. So I start off my day clear-headed, mentally strong, keep my emotions in check. And of course, that's what I've always recommended for you, working on your mindset. Hey, I want to give you an update. Speaking of mindset, we closed on our purchase yesterday, a little small deal. We were doing another state outside of Texas where my home operations are, outside of Florida where I am now, and business is continuing. And went without fanfare. This is a transaction we did. I had basically no involvement. I signed a few documents and made a couple of decisions. Other than that, it's done. Purchased it with no credit, no cash, all the things we teach, and it's done remotely, and we got more lined up, more closings occurring. So real estate is proceeding. And we had good news yesterday's briefing by the president, reopening the United States on a phased approach, selectively according to different parts of the country. And so we're going to start seeing things opening back up again. So my emphasis this week has been, what are you going to do differently coming out of COVID? What was your lessons learned? What are you going to do differently? And every time I ask people this, survey them, the number one answer is, I need multiple streams of income. So if you've not yet asked yourself that question, I want to challenge you to do it now, because if you get caught back up in your JOB, you're going to find yourself having made no change and unprepared for the next time this occurs, or the next disruption, whatever it may be. Insulate yourself, multiple income streams. I encourage you to find activities that are home-based, that are virtual, that have the farthest marketing reach as possible, and you're not tied into a region. And make yourself, design an income source that's built upon those parameters based upon what we just learned. And of course, if you want to do real estate, that's certainly a viable option as well. But use this time to prepare. What are you going to do differently going forward? Pivot your mindset. Use this opportunity to make the adjustments now. And be prepared. Because whether it's 9/11 or the Great Recession or this pandemic, things happen. And you've got to protect yourself and your family and have multiple streams of income. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.